Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can still save WhatsApp profile pictures even though recent updates have made it more challenging. WhatsApp has removed the ability to take screenshots of profile pictures, but I've discovered a simple workaround to bypass this restriction. Let me walk you through it. First, let me show you what happens when you try to screenshot a profile picture the usual way. When you tap on a profile picture and attempt to capture it, you'll see a message saying this function is disabled. Even screen recording won't work, it's automatically disabled the moment you select a profile picture. While there are a few tutorials for Android, they're not very comprehensive, and I haven't found any specifically for Apple or iOS devices. That's where this workaround comes in. Here's what you need to do. First, open the chat of a certain person whose screenshot you want to take. Tap on the contact name to proceed further. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on contact details. From there, tap on the profile picture again. Now, take a screenshot of this view. You can crop it to the size you need and save it for your reference. You'll notice the screenshot is saved in your gallery and the image quality is actually quite decent. Just a quick reminder, always respect privacy in terms of service when using this method. This tutorial is intended for personal use like annotations or pointing out something to a friend. So that's a quick and easy tutorial for taking a screenshot of WhatsApp profile picture. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.